In this chapter, we're gonna fix the normal and the rest pose attribute. So I would like to fix the normal and the stretchy polygon. So let's start with the normal. So here I have my normal, so that's okay. If I move it there, it's okay as well. So let's see what we have there. So I'm taking this input, and actually this input is frozen on the frame 1 because of this one. So I'm not going to take this input actually, and just this one. So let's check if it works. And here, as you can see, now it doesn't work anymore. So let's try with the match cust ID2, which is the one we've created there. So let's see. And here, as we can see, we do have a problem, and I think it's because of this one. Because here, as you can see, I'm taking the near point to look for the cust ID2. So I need to set back my cust ID from this input, but actually I'm just going to create a new cust ID. So let's call it cust ID 3. Okay, so let's go back on the first frame to refresh it. And now I would like to set from the cust ID 3. Let's see. And now it is working. And I do have my animated normal because the input comes from this one, and I have my normal. So this is good. And now I would like to check the stretchy polygons, and actually it comes from this one. So if we take a look here, as you can see here, I don't want this kind of things. So it should not happen actually, and it means there is a problem. So actually let's see from that one, and we are going to debug it. So I want to keep this primitive. So let's blast there. Okay. And now I'm going to go back maybe there. So if I zoom in, this is my original primitive. I would like to grow off the selection, maybe with a couple of other primitive. Like this. And I would like to see what happened for those. I'm going to set back this one from this one. Okay. And this is what we have. So I would like to take a look about the attribute myCluster. So let's use for each name primitive. And I would like to use myCluster there with a single pass. Okay. So it's a part of one cluster. So this is what I wanted. But I would like to check as well the active cluster P. So it should be all set to 1 at active cluster equal 1 to the point. So this one is okay, and let's try the P. And as you can see here, I do have 1 point. So this point has the attribute active cluster P to 0, and it should be 1 actually. So I guess it comes from the attribute promotion. And because it was doing the average, if some primitives are connected to a non-active cluster, then I have a 0 value that I don't want. So let's take it off there and just set it here after the split. So let's check again. Okay, and now it works. So this is good, and I just need to recache it actually. And this is the new version with the problem fixed. So as you can see, there is no stretchy polygons there, and the normal are correct as well. So let's continue.